Hi, I'm John Williams. I'm one of the car park assistants here at Pen y Pass. Just to remind everybody that from the 5th of April, we will be running a pre-booking system through the Just Park app, where you need to book your parking space beforehand. If you can't get a space, we do run Sherpa buses. They come from Bangor, Carnarvon, Betws-y-Coed and Porthmadog. So there's plenty of scope, and the timetables will be online for you to have a look at that. The buses that I mentioned, the Sherpa buses, which run from the local areas, we have a park and ride system running from Nant Peris, which is 3 miles down the hill towards Llanberis, and the buses will run you up here and obviously take you back down when you've been on the mountain. There are also parking pay and display lay-bys down in Pen y Gwryd, which means you have to walk up the little path, which takes you about half an hour to get to Pen y Pass. Also, you can park in Llanberis, so you have the option there as well of another path that takes you up to the summit. The buses do run from Llanberis up to here on a regular basis through the summer.